How to fix WhatsApp voice message problems. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of WhatsApp voice message problems such as voice message not sending or your voice appearing blank in the voice messages. So let's get started. First thing that you need to do is head over to your settings. And here you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, click on apps, and here you're going to search for WhatsApp. It will be under the section of W. So scroll down, click on WhatsApp, and here you need to make sure that the option of microphone is enabled. So if it is toggled off like this, you can simply toggle it on and it will turn green, and then you can see that your issue would be solved. However, if the issue is still there, you can go back up, and here you gotta click on Bluetooth and make sure that you are not connected to any Bluetooth, because there might be possibility that your WhatsApp is connected to any Bluetooth and using that microphone and it wouldn't be actually recording your audio. So you can simply turn it off and then continue recording your voice message and the issue would be resolved. However, if the issue is still there, the issue might be because of parental control. So what you're going to do is scroll down, and here you're going to click on screen time, and then scroll down, click on content and privacy restrictions, and here under microphone you'll be able to see that it is allowed. So what you're going to do is simply toggle it off and your issue would be resolved. However, if the issue is still there, it might be a reason that you might be on a call and trying to record an audio. So if you're on a call and trying to record any voice message, so your voice message would not be recorded. So make sure that you're not on any existing call. So if you're on a call, end that call and then record your voice message and your issue would be resolved. And however, if the issue is still there, you can simply, turn off all of the applications. For example, if you have any applications running in your app manager, you're going to turn all of them off. Here you can see that I have 2 applications running, so you can simply swipe up and turn off all of the applications that are running right now. And after doing these steps, your issue of WhatsApp voice message problems would be resolved. So that is basically how you can fix WhatsApp voice message problems. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.